Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is just a quick look at what the bundle kit came with. The Aiper Scuba N1, the one that I just made a video on. Actually, it's out in the pool right now. The pool is just getting cleaner and cleaner, but it's pretty much there. But something I didn't really give much credit to, or I didn't talk about it in that video, was the bundle kit. Now, I've just done some research with Best Buy, Home Depot, and when you buy the Aiper N1 from them, it only comes with 2 brushes. Now mine came with the extra 2 brushes, but it also came with extra particle filter. This is for really fine particles, this filter kit. And this is an extra filter box. Now, I looked online and I couldn't find any replacements for the unit, but according to AI, you have to email them and try to make arrangements, because they sell the filter boxes, I guess, to stores. Well, maybe you go to the pool store. If you go to the pool store, probably you can buy it from them and pay a very high price. But it was very reassuring that this came with the extra bundle. And like I said, I was just focused on the pool cleaner, but not the bundle. But let's get a look at what's inside this box. This here is the second filter box. Oh, it's even got, they're very proud of their products. They don't even want to scratch the plastic. It's got the shrink wrap on there to keep it pretty. Now this fine mesh is very delicate stuff. So I noticed even with high water pressure, you might not even want to use the high water pressure. Low water pressure rinse is the best. But in case you've got a hole in the one that you have, it would be nice to have a backup right here. So this backup, like I said, came with the kit from Sam's Club for $4.99. And that is good till March 31st. So it's good till the end of this month. You get this extra filter box. And let's get a look at this box here. The more I think about this purchase, the more I like it. Now, it was $60 off at Sam's Club, but I spent the extra on the warranty. Now, I never buy extra warranties. This comes with a 2-year warranty, but I added it so it's good till 3 years. So what comes in this box is a super micro filter. This one has a cloth mesh. I'm going to call it a mesh, but no, you can't see through it. So anything that makes it through this filter is going to have to be very small particles. So this drops into this basket here. On top of this, there is another mesh. You get an additional one. So in this box, you got the superfine mesh, and you have a replacement superfine mesh. Might even call it a membrane. It is so restricted there that it's going to catch everything. We're going to try this again. It only goes in one way because it has a little shelf on the bottom, and that goes, I believe, yeah. So that shelf goes right down in like that. It sits in the original filter box. I'm learning as we go here. So that this flap can open and let in the flow of water. And then you close the lid. And then the only thing getting out of here has to go through the super micro filter. And then out through the screen filter. And then out of the unit. So it has double trapping power with this kit. Now my pool is completely clean, and I don't anticipate needing this. Although if you want to swim and not see any particles at all, I think this would really be good. But all in all, I think the bundle kit is greater than I even imagined. I'm sorry I didn't mention that in the first video. This should have been in the first video. Sometimes, I just think I'm buying something from Sam's Club, and it has, it's the same at Home Depot and it's the same at Best Buy. But having done the research, it's not the same. Here's a quick look at the Sam's Club deal. Comes with the filter basket up here, and it comes with the very fine micron filter and housing, and then it comes with a secondary cover that you can put on here. Time you could leave it in the pool and run it for up to 45 minutes at a time and 48 hours apart, and it'll do that 3 times per charge. That's if you want to set it and forget it per se. So let's look at Best Buy. So here is the Aiper Scuba N1 cordless robotic cleaner for $4.99, and it comes with 2 extra brushes. So the 2 extra brushes are right there on your right up here. You get the extra brushes, and that comes also in the Sam's Club kit along with those extra filters. So there you go for the same price as Sam's Club, but without the extra bundle. So extra bundle is worth quite a bit if you're going to replace that stuff. So going over to Home Depot, you have the 2 extra brushes also, but you don't get the extra filters. So the Sam's Club deal, what is the, let's see what the price is on the Home Depot. It's $5.38. So the deal at Sam's Club is quite a package. It's more, you walk by and you see it. Yeah, there's the robotic vacuum cleaner, but the extra filters, it's quite a big deal, which is good until March 31st, $60 off. So when you look at it, you think, okay, it is $60 off. You're going to save $60. But you're also probably getting $50, $60 worth of filters, maybe even more, maybe less. I don't know. I couldn't find them anywhere to purchase them. So I wanted to give you a price on what they're worth, but you have to contact Aiper directly or probably go to a pool place, because according to AI, they sell them like in a 12-pack or a 6-pack or something that a store would probably buy for selling to the consumer. So this Sam's Club deal for $4.99, $60 off with the bundle. The bundle is the deal here. Exclusive. There it is. It's exclusive at Sam's Club. Nice deal with these extra filters. If you want to get all the fine particles out, this kit would do it. Now, if you like my videos and you came here and you got what you're looking for, I would appreciate if you would hit like and subscribe, because it really helps the channel. And to make content is my pleasure. It's my hobby. I'm retired and I like doing it. So that's not a deal breaker, but it is nice whenever I get a like or a subscribe. So please hit like and subscribe. If you want to get the package deal, the extra bonus, the extra hardware, go to Sam's Club before the end of the month and get your deal. Now, I wouldn't want to really send it into a dirty pool until I got rid of all the big particles, because there is no reason to plug this up with just big particles. You want this when you're already done, you already got it reasonably well, and you just want to get those extra particles. Because believe me, it doesn't look like anything's going to get through this except for the water. I'm sure it's really restrictive, but it's pretty cool. And I'm liking it.